Hey, good morning. Welcome. Kirk is first. Hey there. Good morning or evening to some of you guys. Good morning, Farhad. Hello, TLA Trader. Let's go. How is everybody doing? What happened here? What a drop yesterday. This was an interesting AM session, right? This was like almost 500 points to the downside here. Wow. Nice little correction. Anyway, let's see how this is gonna go. Do we have a new day opening gap? I mean, we do, right? Let me check this. Oh yeah, we do. All right. What's up, Green? Oh yeah, I know. I was taking my mother to hospital, but everything is okay, just for treatment. But I'm here today, full day. Tomorrow, full day. Friday, full day. So I'm here. All right, let's see. A big slap in the face for Tesla. I haven't really checked. I'm gonna check it right away. What happened with Tesla? Where is Tesla? Here is Tesla. Oh, look at that. Well, I guess. Wow. I mean, from the all-time high, 489 down to 302, like, you know, that's a bit of a slap, especially yesterday. But interesting, yeah. Hey, Yonix, what's up? Marco, good morning. Hello. Look at this. Shahid Salim, hey there. Long time no see, yeah. What's up? Must salute. And Olisha is here. Good morning. All right, so we still have that new day opening gap, and on the 1 hour it's not being rebalanced yet, so that means we don't have a down close candle, only on the smaller time frames. So MB Trader, hey, good morning. What? Yanix, what happened? Come on. Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, you know, that happens. You were long. Well, yeah. I mean, if you're long here, yeah, that's not good. Sorry to hear that, though. Have to keep moving on, you know. That's what we can do. By the way, speaking of moving on, we have to learn from the mistakes, obviously. I would say we haven't, no, not Asia high, Asia low down there at 198.50 on the micro. Yeah. Hersho. Passed your first funded account, everybody. Big applause for Hersho. Passed his first funded account. I mean, evaluation, right? I mean, you got your first funded account. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. All right. All right, let's look at some levels here. There's a bullish order block here with a fair value gap on the 5-minute. Also a 15-minute bullish order block. Also a fair value gap on the 15-minute. So let's go, our show. Yeah, so this would be Wow, interesting. The mid-level is on the new day opening gap high. Okay. So 15-minute BC. Okay. So that could be a good target. Jason, good evening from California, sunny California, or what is that so-called US? I guess it is. Hello there, Jason. Not sunny. Mm, mm, mm. 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. All right. Good weather. Let's look at the upside. What do we have? Poked into this fair value gap just now. What if it wants to go higher? You know. András, jó reggelt. Good morning. This is good for you guys. All right. Well, tell your wife I say hello. You know, just to make her feel better in the morning. All right, all right. Oh, man. All right. Okay. Let's do this. I'd like to see this one go down to 225, by the way. Honestly, I might even tempted to take a bit of a short trade here. I mean, why not? You know. I thought I'm going to sacrifice a test account for this experience. No, for this. Oh my god, I forgot how to say this, and I'm definitely having some brain issue. Experiment, but that's not the word I was looking for. Attempt, maybe, to go short. Anyway, on the 1 minute we had a slight structure shift, maybe to try to go back down here. How far are we? 13 points. 26 points. Can we go down there? Maybe we can. 43. We'll see. Anyway. Michael, good morning. How can I activate it? They're going to activate it for you. So if you passed it yesterday, today in business hours, which could also take until the end of the New York session, unfortunately. But today you should be receiving an email, or when you log into your dashboard, you should be checking on the activation link on the first page. You know, if you don't see it, you can always ask support to check on it for you, but they are doing it automatically, but usually in business hours. Pari, good morning. Bravo, hey there. You found it? Yeah, there you go. So there's the payment link for the activation. If you pay it, it's gonna take like a minute or two, and you're gonna get the activation done. It's basically automated, so it's okay. It's okay. Okay, seems like we're going higher here. We are going higher. I'm still. I mean, if we have a structure shift, I might I try to go for a short. Because we went into that gap already on the hourly. So I'll be looking for a possible short maybe. All right. Awesome, awesome, Michael. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let me check something here. How long is the Bulenox sale on? Oh, until Friday. So after Friday, it goes back to 83% until next Tuesday, and then who knows what's gonna happen. But until Friday is the sale. All right. Okay, so just popping higher. Not much is happening. How many can you copy trade? Evaluation accounts, as many as you want. Funded accounts, you can have up to 11 funded accounts, but it's scaling up. So you can start with 3 funded accounts. If any of those funded accounts, or maybe 4, 3 or 4, I think it's 3. If any of your funded accounts goes above the safety threshold, then the rest of the past evaluation accounts got to be activated. Until then, it's gonna be on the shelf in dormant. So that's how it works. You have to scale up your accounts in order to activate all the accounts, but you can have up to 11 funded accounts with Bulenox. Yeah, Yonix, I think you're right. It depends on the risk management, like how you trade, how much vigor room you need on your accounts. Depends on that. But the starter plan, if you're going with micros and if you go for like an average of few $100s per day, so like taking small steps, then the starter account is absolutely enough. I mean, I was with the starter account usually. I did try the expert account, but I realized I'm not taking that much risk, so I was good with the starter. The only thing is that withdrawal cap on the starter account, those kind of stuff. The payout policy is a little bit different, not too much. It's somewhere till Friday. Nice. They don't have a time limit. Yes. Yeah, exactly, Michael. So 1 day pass. 1 day pass for Bulenox. If you pass it today, then tomorrow you can activate it. That's it. Just like Apex. Or some others as well. Ollie, good morning. What's up? Just waiting here. Waiting and waiting. Oh, I haven't checked on gold. Let's put some lines on gold just to see what's happening. Gold also made an interesting move yesterday. So previous day low, previous day high, and we have this one, midnight. Okay. Yeah, nothing special. Nice little push here. Look at that. Bit of a structure shift. Not the most perfect one, but a nice little push. Boom. Okay, back to NQ. Hey. O3TGLASGOW. Glasgow. No. I'm gonna say Glasgow. But yeah, the BMW is driving great. It's driving excellent. We fixed the valve cover gasket or rocker cover. I don't know which one to say. So it has been fixed. Awesome. Works pretty nicely. No oil leaks so far. So everything's great. Car runs great. So yeah, I'm absolutely enjoying it. It's obviously a big change for me after the Mazda. but it's in mint condition. Very good condition. The car is in excellent condition. The mileage is really low, and still even the mechanics in the shop were skeptical, like, no, that's impossible. And they also started to check everything, like, is this real mileage? And they told me, like, man, you found something. So I'm happy about the extremely low mileage. Predicted NQ 21K. Oh yeah, nice little drop down there. Not yet. Not yet, Kirk. As I said, her first 3 words, like, oh no, that was the first 2 words, and the third was why. Like, oh no, why? And I said, don't worry, just let's take a drive. But the other day, I told her to. She's a teacher in the next town next to us, so it's like very close, like 25 kilometers from here, and she goes to work with her own car. And I told her the other day that take the BMW and let me know. Let me know. So she took the BMW, and when she came home, she said, like, okay, I was wrong. This is a nice car. This is a comfortable car. So now she likes it very much. Hello, Naomi. Hey, good morning. Yeah, maybe she wasn't ready. Yeah, but as I said, the other day she took the car to work. I told her, take the car and drive to work, and let me know what you think. And she said, all right, all is forgiven. It really is a nice one. So I think she's settled now. She's okay with it. Hey, Tender. Good morning. Good morning. I think we want to go up to the 300s. What do you guys think? Definitely seem like it. It's going up to the 300. You know. I think it wants to go. What can we do? Okay, there is a... What's the high here? On the 5 minute, 96.25. Let's see. I think it wants to go into that 5 minute fair value gap up here. Oh, damn it. Messed it up. I mean, there's a small liquidity pocket here. Could reach for it. Could reach for it. No, she didn't. She didn't like it in the beginning because we had the BMW previously, and that was a money pit, like usually BMWs are. And so she was pretty much afraid that this is going to be the next money pit. But that was a different kind, different one. I mean, before the Mazda, I had a BMW. Actually, I had multiple. But an experience cannot. Well, I would say, you know, the starter account should be okay. Kirk. Glasgow. All right, Glasgow. Wasn't sure. All right. Gone up into this 5 minute fair value gap. So now what? Now what's gonna happen? I'm still looking for a possible shift to the downside because we have order blocks down there, both on the 5 and the 15 minute. So we'll see. We shall see. And this was a 5 minute CB. Right? Was it? Yeah, it was. Let's go. Yeah, it's card channel. We're switching. 329 is CEO, 60 minutes CB. Yeah. Could go. Actually, good idea. Let's just put there that CE level. What did you say? 329? Oh yeah. Let me use the magnifier here. I mean, not magnifier, the magnet tool. Okay. Not gonna be super accurate, but yeah, somewhere around 2850-ish. Let's go. This one, 2850. Okay, that could be, yeah. 1 hour CB. All right. It's fine. It's fine. Future reference. That's a good one. Thank you, Kirk. Let's go. Good evening, Paul. Hey there. Decide whether to stick to full take profit or trail your profit to get a larger one. What criteria? Yeah, so Hertz, I'm watching. Yeah, so it's a bit of a combination because I'm watching how fast the market is moving. You know, do we have a slow market? Is it moving a little bit faster? If we have some volume, if it's moving a little bit faster, then I try to hold a full TP for longer. But if the market is a little bit slow, then I like to take partial profit. You know, that's when I try to trail it a little bit, because if it's really slow, it can do some tricky moves. But if we have really good speed, and also if we have really good levels, like it would be like a beautiful fair value gap that has been, I mean, where price didn't really go, and it's really significant, like a good fair value gap for liquidity, or a very good swing low, swing high, usually an order block, or as I sometimes call it, supply or demand zone. If it's really looking good, then I like to hold for a full TP. So I try to target that. It's a little bit discretionally. I know it sounds, I mean, it might not be the best answer. It's a little bit discretionally. I would say the more chart time you spend, you know, watching how price moves, the more chart time you have, the more you will identify, like, okay, this is going to go to that level, and you know, that extra gut feeling is going to kick in, like, all right, I'm not going to take a partial because it feels like it's definitely going to go for that level. So there is some discretionary decision in trailing or taking partial. You can also stick to a set of rules, like you always take a partial at a certain risk to reward ratio or whatever, you know, it depending on you. Yes, currently I have a milestone account, Kirk, because I blew up the previous one. So I bought an instant funded account. So currently I am working on a milestone account, which is the instant funded on MyFundedFutures, and I'm looking to build. My previous account expired because I was on the daily loss limit. Actually, I technically blown up the account, so I'm starting a new starter account, basically. Shenanigan, hey there. Malo, my man, what's going on? Was down 400. Oh, let's go. 110 times 3. Awesome, congratulations. Let's go. Malo, I'm super happy for you. This guy's. Which milestone? The 50K, sorry, Jay. The 50K milestone. So basically, it's super simple. It couldn't get any more simple than that. You reach $3,000 you get $2,000. That's it. You do it again, you get $2,000 again. If you do it 4 times, you're going to be automatically moved to a live account. No questions asked. So that's it, basically. Bowser, what's up? I don't know if there's a discount. You can, if you guys are interested in a milestone, maybe there's a 5%, which I doubt, if you type in my coupon code. But I know it's more expensive. But MyFundedFutures is technically one of the fastest payout policies there. And great support and everything. But yeah. Yeah, the 150K definitely gives you more wiggle room, Jay. So it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. Let's go, Satoshi. Yeah, Bulenox, yeah, payouts are Wednesday, so today you should be expecting it. If the balance has already been deducted, then it can happen any moment. Yeah, I mean, Top Step should be okay as well, no problem. Yeah, 20% consistency rule, yes. You have to go with that. I mean, usually there's a similar consistency rule on all of the instant funded account plans. I mean, not just with MyFundedFutures. I think Tradeify has a 20% consistency, or TickTickTrader as well. Usually that's part of the business model, not to have windfall gambling people, you know. So, but I have no issue with the 20% consistency rule. On a, you know, to reach $3,000, that gives me like $600 that I can go for. But I usually, when I make like $200 or $300, I just stop there. Like, I'm not even forcing it, just step by step, you know. Yeah, no more than 600 a day. I think if you make more than 600, obviously, then you have to trade more, you know, to reach that profit goal. But, you know, on a 50K account, so with the $3,000 profit target, I'm perfectly good below $600 for a day on a funded account like this. So I'm okay with it. It's fine. Yeah. If any one of you guys are interested, and this is a bit of a commercial, in purchasing a milestone account from MyFundedFutures, don't forget to use the best cheat code, Tom Sabo. Obviously, I'm not sure if it's going to give you a discount, because right now there is no discount. But it can still give, if you type it in, it can still give some credit to the stream. Thank you so much. All right, look at this. We bounced off from this 5-minute CB. It's bouncing off. I mean, got rejected, as I would say. I thought that it's going to close below this candle here, but there's no structure shift now, so it can still push higher. Karsten, hey there. Yeah, yeah, she's doing okay. All is good. Gonna be taking her home today, but it's not going to affect the stream. I'll be here on time. But yeah, she got, because the doctor said it's not necessary. I mean, she could if she wanted, but thank God she's in a condition she doesn't have to stay there. The doctor said she can stay at home, but I always have to take her back until we're not finished with the treatment. You know, once in a while I'll always have to take her back. Oh, look at that. Let's see if it wants to close below 85. I would be interested. All right. Seems to me it might try to shift. Let's see if this one's going to be a market structure shift. So, like here, you know. I don't really like the idea that, well, if it's just going to be a down wick, then it's not valid that much. Yeah, yeah, Satoshi, I hope so. I mean, it's yeah, I hope so too. She just have to receive some medicine at the hospital, but I hope she doesn't have to spend more time than necessary. This is the life, 1K a day. All right, see you tomorrow. Yeah, congratulations, Malo. Nicely done. Nicely done. Awesome. 1K a day. God, yeah, 1K a day would be. I mean, it's not just would be, it will be. You know, we will get there. Everybody. Okay, so is this a shift? The low of this candle, 86. The close of this candle, 86. Could this be a shift? I wonder. Could this be a market structure shift? I think it could be, right? I'm gonna put a sell limit at 86.25. Just in case, you know. If it wants to go lower. So sell limit has been placed. I'm still not in the trade, by the way. Just saying. Where is this? Here it is. So I'm risking about 140 bucks on this. Not in the trade. You guys don't see the account. Sorry. This is gonna be. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna be it. Good night, Malo. Will you be streaming? Yes, yes, I will be. Green, I will be. So it seems like there's nothing else interrupting the schedule for the rest of the week. So I'll be here. I'll be here. I'll be ready. I'll be ready. Gap at 298. Oh yeah, we have gaps all around the place. We have these volume imbalances and one at 89 there. The thing is, during this time of the hour, there are quite a few gaps around. Dom, hey there. 6,260. Jesus. Man. That is awesome. Yeah, 289. Yes, yes, Bam. 289. That is like, wow. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. It's not going. It's not going. Not going for it. Okay, picked up a bit of a liquidity here. That's the good thing, you know, Dom. If you have your trading plan, or if you have your entry model, your execution model, or whatever we want to name it, if you stick to that, obviously you have to know you have some kind of an edge over the market. But if you have it, you just have to keep on executing. That's it. Oh, I think I'm in the trade now. Yeah. All right. Putting the stop here. Don't worry, ladies and gents. If it goes the other way, I am totally fine. So, where can it go? Relative equal lows at 62. You know what I can do is, let me modify this just a little bit. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like that. And if it goes lower, 55, that would be great. All right. Unfortunately, it's not looking that good right now. Was looking good for a few seconds. I left a little bit of a big room up there. Trader Monk, good morning, Yoregat. 890. 21, 890. Oh, yeah. Well, we can go there. It's gonna push. Yeah, I'm afraid so as well. I thought that this is just gonna, you know, pick some liquidity from this small gap here, and then turn down again, because we have some very good order blocks on the downside, but it's just not going for it. Oh yeah, we have consumer confidence. No, not really, Dom. Not really. Sometimes I feel like it's too slow for me, but obviously sometimes having, you know, how should I express this? Sometimes it's actually a good thing. It's actually a good thing. It's not moving that fast. So this has been taken on a take profit trader test account currently, only with a small risk. This could be maybe a probe trade officially. Doesn't look good. It's not looking good. But hey, I tried. It sort of seemed like to me that it could be an inversion for this bullish gap. Now it closed lower, and I thought that it might gonna go down for those lows. We have the macro coming in about how much time? 3 more minutes. You should be receiving it sometime today. If you made it yesterday, then today during New York business hours. It could go until the afternoon, not sure, but sometime during New York business hours. You know, that's when it should happen. If you don't get it until the end of the PM session, I suppose you can ask support on the chat on the website, so they should be able to help you out. Okay, so this one is going higher. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Back to the mid-level of this. Let's see if there's gonna be a rejection or I don't know. I'm gonna wait for the next trade. Just waiting for the next trade. Yes, exactly, Ollie. That's what I was having an issue with when I was trying to withdraw my profits from the pro account. It took them like the next day during. Actually, it took them until the next day, sometime during the New York AM session or until lunchtime. So that's when they updated the dashboard. And it usually happens a few times with Take Profit Trader. I actually told them in chat like you guys are awesome, but you should do something about this update, because they say it's updating 10 p.m. Eastern Standard, which usually like 6 or 7 out of 10 days it does. But you know, there's always a day or two in every week when it's about when it updates sometime during the other day in business hours. So I don't know. But it's normal, quote unquote. Yeah. So you have to wait for the update. I experienced it multiple times, and I also told support, and support said exactly the same. Like sometimes, which usually a few times it happens. So you have to wait. I would suppose or suggest it should be updating sometime around New York business hours, hopefully until lunch hour. No problem. Yeah, actually, the website's dashboard is much slower than other prop firms. I don't know why is that, but that is what it is. So what is higher? We have that consequent encroachment for the 1 hour CB up there around 28, 29-ish. With the fair value gap above 43. This 5-minute CB is still holding price. I feel like it might want to go through. Not sure. I feel like this one wants to go through now. You know, here we have the 300. You know, tried like 2 times. I think it's gonna try at least once more. Push it through. Oh yes, yes, Satoshi. The Friday data is definitely going to be updated on Monday PM session. What about 3 starter versus 1 milestone? The downside? I mean, no special downside. The thing is that, well, let's see. 3 starter accounts, which is nearly $300, you obviously have to go through an evaluation phase, right? So you have to go through an evaluation phase, which means you have to reach $3,000 times 3. Obviously, if you copy trade it, it's fine. So you have to reach $3,000, and you also have to make an additional, like, I don't know, $1,500. So think about that, Kirk. You have to make about $4,500 or $5,000 in profit to be able to withdraw from those accounts, right? Okay, I know it's 3 accounts. Yes, I know. But, or you can start with a milestone account, which is a little bit more expensive, like 445 or something, I think. A little bit more expensive, but you only have to focus on that $3,000 on a 50K account. That's it, and you get $2,000. So your initial investment, how much you have to work for your initial investment? You invest $300 if you can pass it at under 30 days, obviously. That's also a question. So the risks with 3 starter accounts to be able to pass it at under 30 days and also being able to leave a buffer, obviously you should leave a buffer. So I would aim for like $1,500. If you aim for $1,500 on the starter funded, you should be able to request like $500 on each account. So let's just say you get $1,500 to $2,000 on the 3 starter accounts, but you have to work more for that, right? Instead, the milestone account, you invest $445, you reach $3,000 and you get $2,000. Like how much you have to work to reach the same payout, or actually not, a little bit more in payout, right? That's what you have to measure. Because I think if I have to choose between 1 milestone instant funded account or 3 starter accounts, I would choose the milestone account. Because I have no time limit, obviously no monthly fee. I would just have to focus on the $3,000. And I know when I get there, I get $2,000. That's it. So for me, it would be much more simple to focus on a milestone account, even if it's a little bit more expensive. Not too much, obviously, if we count 3 stars. Anyway, that's my opinion. Yeah, Open is very close. Let's see the London Open. Yeah, London Open rules. 306 plus. It could go. 21,260. Yeah, I think so. Like we have relative equal lows down here, and we still have 5-minute and 15-minute order blocks. Yeah. Oh, it helps. All right. Let's check on gold. Let's check on gold. Trying to short gold. Carsten is trying to short it. It picked up a bit of a liquidity here. And let's see the 5-minute. Market structure shifted on the 5-minute to bullish. So we had one shift here, one more shift here on gold. It seems bullish to me, for now, at least. And we have, okay, that's nothing. We have a fair value gap here that rejected price earlier, but that's nothing special really. Okay, so this is a 50, we are inside of a 15-minute bearish order block on gold, which could push gold lower. Man, it's a tough question. Short gold here or not? I would not be shorting gold. So if I look at it now, I wouldn't take a short here until we're not reaching at least this area to see a reaction. There is no displacement to the downside, although these two candles looks nice. This bearish candle after this bullish one looks okay, but it's not enough right now for me to take a short. So if I would be watching gold, I would definitely wait for price to grind here and, you know, see what's happening in that area. Right now, I would not jump into it could go down, but it's not enough for me. You know, that's what I think. Yeah, no problem. 28.97. Oh, yeah, wow, that's a good target down there. 28.97. Oh yeah, previous day low. Yeah. I mean, that's a good target. That's a good target. But yeah. I would wait. I would wait a little bit with the short on gold. If it shifts structure here with the nice down close candle, or here at 29.25 or 29.26.7, then maybe. But until then, just, you know, not financial advice, obviously. I'm just saying that's what I would do. On long, but 21.262. Yeah. Look at this, man. It wants to break through on this level. I really feel like it's just boom, wants to smash this level. But yeah, I don't want to chase it as well. Here's the London Open. Here's the London Open. Careful. Careful, careful. So far, nothing special. No, I don't trade silver. I don't. Sometimes they say it moves nicely. I don't know. I don't know. But I don't trade it. I'm still looking for a possible short on NQ after the previous one. All right, so far sideways. What news we have? Nothing, right? Okay. The only thing we have is new home sales, which is, I think, this here, it's going to be 10 a.m. New York Eastern Standard Time. The new home sales, I think it should be a red folder news, to be honest. I think it should be a red folder news. This could be interesting at 10 a.m. I'm 100% sure that after the 9:30 open, everybody's going to wait for 10 a.m. new home sales. And then should we see, hopefully, a proper move. Brian, good morning. What's up, Brian? No, housing that should never. But it moves the market. I, I just, whenever there was this housing data, it really moved the market like better than like some other red folder news. Really, I was surprised how housing data moved the market. Really. Yeah, I'm waiting for a short as well, but I think it wants to break this 305-ish area again. Double red folder. Yeah. I understand, yeah, but I was surprised how housing data was still moving the market. So that's what I think will happen. I think it's just gonna go sideways until 10 a.m. I mean, obviously it's gonna spike up and down, and then everybody's gonna wait for 10 a.m. housing data. But yeah, I get it. I get it. I get it. What is going on? GZ1. Oh, NVIDIA earnings. Hey, good morning. Abs, hey there. Oh, all is good. All is good. I'm waiting for a short, but it's a little bit scary right now. It seems like it might want to push again to the upside. And Natasha is here. Hello, Natasha. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. All right. Well, no market structure shift yet. At least nothing valid. Good to see you too. Good to see you too. It's good to have more and more ladies in the stream. With beautiful names like Naomi, Natasha, Vivian, and we had someone else too. I don't know. Hey, Brandon. Yeah, I'm looking for a bearish breaker like this one. Look at this. Boom. So I'm looking for a move to the downside, maybe. Let me try to measure some risk here. Could this be good for a possible entry, I wonder? Tudor, good morning. Yeah, Eastern European name. Michael, your name is absolutely beautiful. No question about it. I always say to everybody, hey, you know, that name, Michael, that is really something. Oh, let's see. Well, it seems like it's going. It's not repricing that small gap up there, which is fine. I'm still gonna put a limit order just in case. You know, I never know. So I put a limit order here at 86. I highly doubt that this is gonna go up there now. Seems like it's just one to waterfall. But anyway, you're welcome. Greg, hey, what's up? And then New York Open has been dumping this. Yeah. Might be. Gonna keep an eye out for this one. Best name ever. Greg, your name is like, well, no, Greg is great. Greg, for me, you know, gives the impression of someone who is like very confident, you know, a strong name, you know. Hey, who is this? It's Greg, you know, it's Greg, you know, or someone's knocking at the door, boom, boom. Who's that? It's Greg, you. Hey, Greg, you, MF. It's me, Greg. Come on, open the door, you know, something like that. Or, you know, something happens, you know, someone beats up a guy or something, I don't know, and, you know, you're asking the guy in the hospital, who did it, man? Who did it? And the guy says, it was Greg. Greg did it. So, you know, Greg is a strong one. Yeah, a strong name. Trading with 10 lots, usually. No trolling, really. I just joking here. But obviously, strong name. The construction. You'll be surprised. They just built up a huge house here. And I just did some, you know, I just gathered some information. And guess what? It's going to be one family house built by one single individual. And it's going to be like a villa, or I don't know how to call it. A mansion. Villa, I don't know. It's going to cost, no joke, no troll, it's going to cost about $2 million. Yeah, $2 million to build up this house next to me. You guys would be surprised. I'm in a trade, by the way. The limit order just got triggered. So here's the limit order. If it goes higher, then I don't know. I mean, I wanted to see this go lower. This is exciting. uh. Right now, I'm trading this. Here's the account right above me. It's a 150k take profit trader test account. So I'm already down because I lost the trade earlier. So this is the one right here. I'm already down. In the past few weeks, by the way, I realized that if I'm not trying to do crazy stuff, I mean, on the funded accounts in London session, I survive longer on the funded accounts. So I use this time to build up more evaluation accounts to get funded. Ez nem egy Tiborcs projekt. Ez nem. Ez valaki más, de ez is a NER-nek a tagja szerintem. Majdnem 1 milliárdért épített családi házat. Úgyhogy, és valami fiatal gyerek. Alright, sorry. Bit of a Hungarian here. Maria is long. Maria is long. Let's see. Obviously, it can try to push higher, so have to be careful. I think this could be a trap for the shorts as well. Look at the rejection on the 15-minute. I'm thinking, but I don't know. I'm not. If maybe it goes below, like, no. Just gonna wait. Or should I? I'm gonna take off a little bit here if it gets down there. All right. So I'm gonna take a partial if it gets down there, because usually this is the area when it starts to bounce. I don't really like that. But anyway. Satoshi says the bias is very bearish. Short from 88. Let's go. SMT. Yeah, there could be. Hey Tender took a partial. I'm still waiting for the partial. What I can do is maybe, I don't know. I'm also a little bit skeptical here. What I can do is try to reduce the risk. All right. All right. Reducing the risk. Yeah. Took two out. Oh man, I'm a little bit tempted, but Natasha, wow, 10 times 600. I'm doing something bad here, you know. Yes, yes, I'm shorting Troy. I'm short, but I'll try to get some of it off at 68 and going for 62.75. But seems like others are making good profit, and I'm still struggling here. Why not break even? That's a good point. Actually, that's a good point. When I put it to break even, it's gonna wick up there to my break even and then goes to my TP. That's why. The market makers are watching the stream, you know, and it always happens. I put it to break even, wicks up just with one tick, boom, takes my stop loss with break even, and then goes down. And you know, red pill unplugged, same. All right. Another partial at 61. Let's go. Yeah, that's usually the thing, you know. That happens to me as well. Hmm. Should go lower, in my opinion, but I don't know. Oh man. Hey, good night, Paul. See you next time. See you tomorrow. Yeah. So PTSD is kicking in sometimes. I feel that. This is frustrating, man. What was the confluence for short? There was a rejection on the 5-minute CB higher. Let me show you here. So price was rejecting. It shifted structure. For me, I was like looking a market structure shift here. Displacement happened also on the 1 minute right there. And basically I just jumped in looking at this relative equal lows, but overall I see bullish order block down there and the 15-minute BC, which I really like. So, and we picked up liquidity already from here, so that's why I thought that why not, you know, why not, even if it starts to go higher, but first why not just sweep these levels at 262. That was it. Like nothing special, but that was the plan. That was the plan, to have a sweep. Yeah, no problem, John. You're welcome. All right. This is just a joke now. All right, this is a joke. Yeah, I went against 320. We have the 320 again. So, speaking about that, it could be a reversal here, unfortunately for me. So we might target those highs again because we just had a shift with the displacement. So it might even be the opposite signal. You know, might have to close the trade down. Never mind. Yeah, sure. You have to do it with Plane. They pay out through plane.com, which is a payment provider or processor or whatever. And you have to upload your national ID or passport, utility bill or something, and that's how simple, Erkan. So that's once you approved at plane.com, then the payouts should be in order. By the way, if I would have put my stop loss to break even, I usually leave a point or something here. Look at what would have happened. I told you guys, if I put it to break even, it comes back for my stop and then goes down to my TP. I told you exactly the same situation. When I put it to break even, it comes for me and then goes back to TP. It does that 5 out of 10 times. What? It hit my TP there. And it didn't take it. I think the market makers heard me again. I don't know what the hell. All right. So now I'm putting it to break even. There. But I just told you guys 20 minutes before this, or 15 minutes, or not even the 10 minutes. Like, if I put it to break even, it's gonna go up there, spike my stop, and goes down to TP. Look at what happened. Always happens. Always. Always. And now it's doing the same thing. Now it's doing this. It's gonna go back to my stop loss because it's at break even. So, and then when it hits it, it's gonna go down to 62. Just saying. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a little bit of a selling. Could be. Gold is coming down. Oh, I haven't checked it. Let me check it on my other screen. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, the market makers are watching it. Yeah, it gets the TP. And now I'm wondering what it will do now. You just learn to live with it. Yeah, I can't live with that. And unfortunately, this is the bounce that I wasn't waiting really. I was hoping that it will not bounce like this. I told you, we are going to have a very good laugh at this one. Yeah, market makers are watching, you know. You know, big hedge funds, institutions, they have the stream, you know, in their offices. Everybody is like, okay, now he put it to break even. Let's do some trick. Look at that. I'm telling you, this is like, I'm gonna do some content on this, some video. This is just, and when it hits my stop loss, it's gonna immediately turn around and goes down. Yeah, they love to watch it. Look at that. Look at this. Unreal. Unreal. I know, right? I told you, Tudor. If I move my stop to break even, it's gonna hit it. But only with a point or a few ticks. It's just gonna spike it like boom. And then, look at this. It's gonna hit my stop. And as soon as it hits it, it's gonna waterfall down. 62. But if I move my stop anywhere up there, it's gonna go for it because of the market makers. So they only want my stop. Only my stop. Nobody else in the whole world in the market. Doesn't matter. They only want my stop. You got stopped again. Oh. Yeah, it definitely is a magnet. Exactly. But guys, if it takes my stop now, you know, and then it drops to my original TP, don't tell me that we are not living in a matrix. If that's gonna happen now, then it's actual proof that we are living in the matrix. Yeah, they hate me. I know. They don't like me. Yeah. Yeah, we have those levels. By the way, good philosophic question. Like, just look at what AI can do nowadays, just generating videos and pictures, images, virtual reality, and all the new video games with like almost like it's like watching a film or a movie. That's how real it is, and we're not even scratching the surface of what technology and AI can do. What do you guys think? Are we not living in the same matrix? You know? Because I think we do. And I think someone from the control room at the matrix are actually watching us. Somebody is watching the stream. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Okay, and now, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. I told you. I told you. And here's my original TP down there. 62.75. Wait for it. This is a simulation. I'm just telling you guys. This is a simulation. Just wait for it. 262.75 incoming. They took out my break-even stop. Now it's ready to go down. Hey, I know what you didn't. You don't. Is here? No. I know something that you don't know. That the Matrix is watching the stream, and they're gonna put out 62.75. They get yours too. Yeah, because your name is Red Pill. Obviously, they are watching you. Because of your name. They're watching me because I'm good looking. They're watching you because of your name. And, they see that this stream is actually endangering their existence. So now, wait for it. 262. If I enter the trade, if I enter a short here, it's not going to go down. So I'm not going to enter. Just wait for it to see it goes down. Don't tell me it's not a simulation. Remember this message. New highs, then we down harder in your session. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so people of the Matrix up there. Maybe it's Michael. I don't know. Michael Huddleston. Or I don't know. The people of the Matrix. Please. Give us a sign that this is a simulation. Give us a sign by taking out 62.75. Prove that this is a simulation. Prove to us. Here's the opportunity. All right. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, Nathan and everybody. If I'm not on the stream anymore, it's not because I did a suicide or something. Maybe somebody's gonna knock on the door real soon. Some Some guys in suits and ties and sunglasses might be knocking on the door real soon. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, then they took me. Oh, yeah. Works every time. I'm catching fish. All right. Yeah, the man in black with the flash. Oh, yeah, with the flash thing. Man in black will walk in here like they're just gonna flash me. And like, I hope they're gonna give me a good cover story. I don't know. Yeah, Will Smith. Yeah. Watch this. 262.75. The market makers are watching. I'm not entering because then it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work if I enter. Or re-enter. I know what you don't says long. Which I think I kind of agree, by the way. I kind of agree with him, by the way. It could be a good long position. You know, especially after, you know, we have this gap. Swept the lows, shifted higher. I think it could actually go long. Yeah. It can actually go long. Natasha is long. Yeah. Very long. 310. Should I jump in for the stream? Should I jump in here? I know it's late to jump in now for the long. For the stream. I will. I will. Market order. Let's go. Obviously a terrible risk to reward ratio. Terrible. But hey, why not? What would be the target? Hey, I told you. I told you. Oh man, this is just too good. This is just too good. No, I'm because the standard 2 deviation has been actually taken, and I took partials already. We shifted structures, so I actually entered the long with the best entry right there. Beautiful entry for me. And I'm going to add, that's it. That's all I'm adding. With the tight stop. And that's it. That is it. But this is a 150k test account, so what is going on here? What is this really the Matrix? Actually, I trust in I know what you don't. So, you see, he's saying long. I'm long, but I'm trusting him. And you know. Very interesting area, that's for sure. I'm only doing this crazy stuff because this is not a funded account, but only an evaluation account, so. Yeah, let's see. If it takes me out, I'm gonna hit it hard, and I'm gonna enter a strong short. I'm gonna hit a sell stop. With 12 micros to go for the 62.75. FOMO. The FOMO. Okay, so I know what you don't says 310 is the draw, which I think it could be. And I also kind of like the idea that they are saving the drop for New York. But if it drops now, it should be taking that low down there. We still have 5 minutes until the macro. So if this one takes me out, okay, I'm gonna answer to that drop with a very heavy scalp short just below my stop. Look at that. It's going. It's going, man. We're jumping into a heavy short. You see, as soon as I'm saying it, it's, you know. And this is the prime example of how you can mess up your account. 264 low is safe. This one has to go for 62, man. 62.75. That was my original TP. Let's see if this is gonna hold. If not, I'm already having my sell order in place. Don't even have to push the button here. I'm changing it to 14 micros. Heavy scalp to the downside. Yeah, Nestor. I should do that. Order canceled is short. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, it's gonna be dangerous. All right. Are you entertained? I hope you are. I know, John. That's what they do. Okay, so I know what you don't. Still saying 64 is safe and long here. All right. I guess fate is going to decide for us now. Yeah, I'm Kirk's dad. So, it is what it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm the brother. For I know what you don't. Oh, requested 3K. Congratulations, Kirk. That is awesome. Let me give you an applause because requesting payout from Take Profit Trader. Good job. Good job. Maria says up. Let's go. $310 before 264. All right. I have no problem with that. I'm still in this long. Let's go. 7K so far on one account. Wow, Kirk. That's very good. That is awesome, man. So what is happening? NQ unplugged or what? Tested your copier and blew the account for micro. Oh. 2.3 seconds for a blow up. Jesus. Raven. Yeah, they just updated in their Discord, and it was actually very interesting and frustrating. Hey, Reza. Yeah, so that guy who I sent the email to, you can see his email, is actually my direct affiliate manager. I don't know. He called me also on the phone the other week. So I also have his phone number. But he usually, is answering me. I mean, yesterday I haven't received an answer. And he always said to me, if I have any issue, not just with affiliation, but with anything regarding the accounts or whatever, I should just send him a message. And he passes on to the proper department. So that's why I sent the email to him. But if I'm not getting an answer, which I should be getting an answer, hopefully today now, then I might just going to send it to support, to see what's going on. Still nothing. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Gotta appreciate, know what you don't, confidence. Yeah, well, I know what you don't. Yeah, he knows the future. Whoa. Still not there, the market makers and the matrix, can still happen. Can still happen. Can you trade all 11 master accounts? Yes, you can. Yes, Greg, you can. So by the way, I know what you don't. Are you still confident about 310? Asking for a friend because, I'm thinking to move, take profit to 310. I don't know. Yes. I take a partial at new high. Oh, I see. Okay. Who's funny? Me? I'm not funny. I think you know what you don't. I know what you don't. Man. He's funny. Actually, he knows what I'm not funny. I'm just, I'm just pretending. I'm just pretending that I know what I'm doing. So far, it worked out. Oh, no. What is happening here? No. Hiding price levels. So by the way, we have the pre-market open soon and we are in the macro. I would be really curious what price does now. And actually, if I would have entered here, yeah, partial profit would have already been done on this. Interesting. Interesting. They are all market maker, buy or sell model dudes. And using SMT is key. So basically, they're looking for those levels, and they start looking for an SMT, and they just following the market maker buy or sell model, right? Gemini. I'm also want to learn more about. Obviously, I know the basics about market maker buy and sell model, but you know, using it as a main criteria in trading is obviously a different thing to go with. Mm-hmm. 310. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not just talking about Zusi's content, or Zosi, I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but usually referring to the core content from Michael Huddleston. Who shorted the lows? I almost shorted the lows. Nice learning stuff. He makes money from content, not trading. Depending on if he makes good content or not. I'm not really following him. I barely know who he is. I mean, I saw him somewhere here and there on social media, but I'm not following his content. I don't know if it's good or not. Depends on if he makes good content or not, or valuable content, you know. He scammed his students? With what? With some online course or something, signals maybe. That's what everybody's doing, obviously, but I mean, not with the scamming, but I also tried to sell the mechanical indicator system, which I'm still testing. Discord membership. Oh, I see. Not delivered. Oh, ghosted people. It's 1-on-1. It's 15K? 15K? Wow. 15K for a 101. I mean 1-on-1, but 101. 18 years old. Yeah, that explains. Nothing special against 18 years. I wish I would be. So there's nothing against being 18 years old or whatever, but obviously there are very smart people at the age of 18, and I agree with that. But you know what I mean. Let's go. What is happening now? We have the pre-market open. Yeah, and he does more than 20 members for his one-on-one. Wow. So 15K with 20 members. Maybe I should do the same thing. No. Stop that again. 4 a.m. opening. Let's look at this. Yeah, here we are. 4 a.m. Spiked higher. What do you think, Martin? Lots of schemers and scammers. Yeah. Yeah, the sad thing is that in social media, like, there's a lot of slandering and throwing garbage at each other, which sometimes is valid, but I see many times it's a little bit too much, I think. But Bessem is short, maybe, or not. $1,100 people with 480. $50, sorry, 450. That's $500,000 almost. Wow. He's a good internet marketer then. So basically he's an internet marketer. Which is okay, I guess. But he's in internet marketing, right? Just an option, yeah. I'm still. You trade only on DEX in London. NQ in New York session. I see. Yeah. AM session there. Is monthly, then 1-to-1. He's a market and a trader. All respect. Yeah. So just want to say that these guys, obviously, I mean, I'm just hoping with really all the good intention I'm saying this. I'm just hoping that at least they give some value. That's what I'm hoping, that at least, if he's asking, obviously those people who are paying this money, even for a one-to-one coaching, obviously those people are having this kind of money, which is okay. So the decision has to be made on that person as well. But at least I hope they give a good value, for that money. I mean, they should, right? Hopefully. He's doing it good, right? He is a smart. Yeah. Press the like button. Press the like button, everyone. What is happening? Is it gonna take new highs, or what's it gonna do? Partial here. All right. Took partial. Securing some extra. Looking for a break of that high and secure that swing low. Basically, I'm just, you know what? I'm gonna leave it for 309, and let's see what it does. Because why not? He has good free content. He teaches trading content. How can he be marketed if he doesn't know about trade? Obviously, yeah. So if he has to know something about trading, that's why I'm saying, like, hopefully he gives good value to his followers or members. He has to give some value. He has to know something about trading. So that's why I hope he does. Yeah. Yeah, I understand, Hey Thunder. I learned a lot from his videos as well. Re-entered gold. Let's go. Maria, congratulations. If they never share losses, they are a scammer. Oh, I see. Well, I guess it makes sense. Yeah. Huh. Tuesday low of the week. Maybe it goes there. If it breaks the high at 305, I'm going to move my stop to 95.50. Oh, you teach a little group. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, I see. I see dreams better to them, but you find our videos were exposed as fraud. I don't really know. I don't really know which are the exact concepts that he repackaged. I mean, I found some proof that the gap theory was already existing in the 80s, because ICT said nobody came up with this before 1996 when he came up with this. But I mean, maybe not with the fair value gap, but there was almost the same gap theory. That's what I found as proof. Also, I'm not saying that, I mean, that would be a fraud. Obviously, everybody's repackaging all kind of teachings and concepts, but also found some information about, you know, as I dived into supply and demand zones, that basically order blocks is almost the same as supply and demand, like the order blocks, you know. But anyway, I'm not gonna go into that now because it's not disrespect or anything. I don't care, as long as I learn properly how to evolve, you know, in these markets to be better. I don't care how do I name it, if I name it order block or supply or demand zone. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. Entry point for the short take profits are 330. Okay, so we definitely have to break the highs then, is what Admirals is saying. I think that's what you're saying. $5 million from ICT. Can I? Yeah, let's focus. 310. And we still didn't break the high here. So, still didn't go through. Partial on the long up here. 310 is next. Yeah, final TP is set to 309 on my end. He only got popular on YouTube because he posted ICT motivation videos. I didn't know that because as I said, I never really followed his content. I just heard his name, you know. Let's go. Exactly, Michael. At the end of the day, it all comes down to psychology and behavior, risk management. You can trade whatever you want: bull flags, bear flags, trend lines, supply, demand, support, resistance, 1,000 variations. At the end, it all is just risk management. It all comes down to risk management. So if I'll be able to join the morning live, but expect a dump to midnight open. Okay, thank you for the info there. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. Okay, look at that. Moving my stop. Are we gonna break the 310? Actually, 309 is good. Secured a little bit there. So I'm just trailing it now. it's a closet follow. Yeah, I am. I'm not ashamed to admit it. Oh no! Jesus, did you see that? Did you see the market maker, the Matrix? Look at that. Oh my god. Uh-oh. 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 What is happening here? What is happening here? Oh, wow. Can build a profitable rule-based system with any strategy, but concepts. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. 314. Of course I trade 10 points. I love the 50k accounts. I just thought, why not? You know, why not? But my go-to is still the 50k accounts. Yesterday's first value gap. Let's go, Martin. Look at that, everybody. The market makers or the Matrix, the people of the Matrix were watching the stream and reversed price just one tick before my stop. That's not random, guys. That's not random. I know, but by the way, I really do appreciate it. To best DJ in town, 294.75, has 24 contracts. Whew. That's interesting. Let's see. Are we gonna get it? Because I'm gonna give a huge applause to I Know What You Don't. And I'm fine with hitting the 309. I don't need the 10. Yeah, I'm by the way, I'm also thankful for I Don't Know What You Don't. Let's see the 310. And a huge applause. Because it's just 309. Did it take the 10? It did. Alright. Look at that. That is how he does. I think this guy really came from the future, right? 314. Oh, 314. Martin, congratulations for the 314. Wow, look at this. Consequent encroachment 328. Wow. This is really happening now, right? It's real. Good call. Very good call. He sees the future. They hunt for shares. To think about it, I almost ended up in a heavy short, destroying my account here. Midnight open will be okay. We'll be watching the midnight level. All right. Thank you for the insights. Yeah. Yeah, this was a very good call. I liked it. All right, all right. $342. Let's see. Let's see. Reversal Wednesday, yeah. Yeah, see you at New York. Thanks for joining. Hey Tender, it was a good one. ICT works for you, that's fine. My strategy is based on options. Yeah. Option volume increase since COVID. You can ignore this information, especially. Oh. Well, I never say never, so I was always interested in these on those stuff. If today just chops, yeah. We also would like to see a down close candle on the new day opening gap, at least on the 1 hour or higher. So that's why I agree that it should go down sooner or later. Okay, we are at consequent encroachment. Oh, we have the GDP data. All right. All right, that's good to know. Rocket shooter. Yo, Trading Star. Hey, what's up? Doing good, doing good. We had a very good trade, a good call from I don't know what you don't. And I almost hammered myself with the short, but then the long position saved me. How you doing, man? Man, I have a headache. I don't know why. I have a strong headache, to be honest. Yeah, it was a good. It was a good one. Yeah, heading from making too much profits here. But really, I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody. I really have a headache, and yeah, I'm okay. Don't worry. I'll be back for the New York session, but I'm not gonna take any trades on this. because I think this was the main move here. We're approaching the 5 a.m. No, not too soon, but 38 minutes. So thank you, everybody. I think it was a very exciting and fun session. Special thanks to I Know What You Don't, and to everybody as well, of course, who were watching. Thank you for the new subscriptions and the likes and everything. We will be rich. Let's go. And I'll be back for a New York session. I hope you guys can join me. And as always, please use the best cheat code for prop firms, which is Tom Sabo. You can use it for the best available discount. Try it out for resets, or even at MyFundedFutures, if you don't have a discount for it, you type it in. It gives a bit of a credit to the stream. Thank you so much, everybody. Love you all. And mostly, God bless you all. I'll be back for New York, all right? See you. I remember. Whoa, Trading Star. Thank you. Another. Oh my God, this guy. Thank you, my man.
My brother from another mother.
All right. Thank you, Trading Star. You the man. You the man. All right, see you guys later. God bless you all.